out of all the film genres, scary movies, horror films, numero uno. What about you? What's your favourite genre?
Well, this would be bottom of the list with rom-coms, I'm afraid. What about Jurassic Park? Isn't that horror? These monsters.
No, that's like adventure.
No, monsters.
Adventure film.
Monsters stalking and tracking down people and eating them.
Technically, I would. Okay, people can vote afterwards on this.
Please.
Jurassic Park, 100% is like family. It's a family film. Family adventure film.
It's like limbs and stuff. People get eaten off
but
toilets.
Yes, but you don't see it.
Yes, you do. He gets pulled off the toilet.
Okay, you don't like horrors. I'm feeling it. So what's going to happen now? Like, when I show you some films, are you going to be okay